Si Crystal Paras. She's so talented at alam kong pag nabigyan siya ng tamang recognition and the limelight, and she will make it really big. Kaya siya ang gusto kong makakolab bago pa man siya sumikat ng malala. Makikipag-collab na ako sa kanya. Yun.
Yes, and for my last question for you, yung song mo is Infatuation.
Yes po.
Ano ang inspiration? Ano gusto mong ihatid sa tao through this song? And kanino ka na-infatuate sa showbiz?
Showbiz. Ito yung showbiz question.
Okay, yun muna. Kanino ka na-infatuate sa showbiz?
Kanino ako infatuated sa showbiz? Oh, first person that came in my mind, si Kiara San Agustina lang. And she knows this. She's a good friend of my very good friend din na si Shaira Diaz. And I've been always vocal to her na I've admired her even before knowing Shaira Diaz. And ayun, ba't mo lang mag-explain? Ano lang naman yung pangalan? Yun lang. And then the next question is, anong inspiration?
Gusto mong ihatid sa listeners through your song, Infatuation?
Well, hopefully, help them navigate kung pag napakinggan nila yung kanta, may they be heartbroken or confused with what they feel. Magkaroon ng at least kasagutan and clarity kung ano yung talaga nararamdaman nila. Is it love or is it just infatuation?
Bonus na lang, parang kayong single ba ni Ara? Ay, hindi pa yan.
I cannot speak for her.
So, okay na pala yung Infatuation. Thank you, Kaloy, and congratulations.
Maraming salamat po.
Alright, thank you so much, Romel Gonzalez of PEP. Up next, we have here Robert Valentina of Manila Bulletin.
Hello, magandang hapon po. Kay Mitzi Josh. Okay, congratulations sa iyong bagong single. So, Get Me Down Easy, ano? So, tell us about the inspiration sa kantang to.
Yun, actually, nakausap ko po yung composer, si Miss Roxy Fabian. Ayun, it's about a couple that malapit na mag-break. Kaya, nanlalamig na ang pag-ibig. Kaya alam ko maraming makaka-relate na kapuso natin dito. Lalo na yung mga kapuso natin mag-Valentine's na. Medyo malungkot. Pero, yeah, it's about that.
Pero masaya ba malungkot ba ang Valentine's mo?
Masaya po. Masaya naman.
Bakit to?
Kasi kasama ko yung family ko, makiki-third wheel po ako sa kanila. Kasi ako yung ultimate third wheel sa aming pamilya.
Pero after your single, may naka-plano na bang album or more singles in the future? What can you share?
Yes po, hopefully soon I will be releasing another single po, and hopefully then a lot of OSTs, kasi OSTs, namimiss ko na rin mag-OST po talaga. So,
pero ano bang genre ang tinatahak mo when it comes to singing? Ano bang
actually, alam niyo po, kasi nag-train po talaga ako since 6 years old. So, I can do pop, R&B, Broadway, and a bit of classical. So, sana ma-showcase ko siya lahat. Mapakita ko po sa inyo lahat kung ano yung capacity.
Pero like sa stage, sabi mo may ano ka na rin, training so yes. Have you tried like audition sa mga play? Sa
mga theater, yes po. And I'm trying then ulit. So, super excited din po ako. And hopefully makuha din ako sa mga theater plays. Kasi nakakamiss din. Yes! Congrats! Congrats!
And mga gusto mong makakolab in the future sa mga musical project?
Alam mo, same kami ni Kuya Kaloy, si Ate Julie. Si Ate Julian San Jose. And
but have you met her, si Julie?
Yes po, actually, ang first prod ko po on AOS is with her. Yun yung first ever project ko with Sparkle then AOS. So I'm so blessed na even before somehow collab and naka-prod ko rin ko siya sa AOS. Pero aside from Ate Julie,
sino ba?
Si Ate Jennifer. Yes, parang kasi sobrang close po kami ni Ate Jen. So, curious lang din ako if paano kami mag-work and paano yung blending ng voices namin and kung paano siya pakinggan yan.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Alright, maraming salamat po, Robert Regentina of Manila Bulletin. Ang susunod naman na magtatanong ay si Richard Pagdikawan of Lionheart TV.
Hello, good afternoon. Yung question ko kay Brianna, yung first question ko kasi is, tama ba yung title is Kung Masasaktan Lang, yung kinakama kanina?
Masasaktan lang.
So, can you please share us a brief story regarding the song?
Yung story niya po, well, it's actually also written by Ms. Roxy Fabian. And I actually sang this at first sa Pepito Manaloto. Yun yung naging parang kanta ni Chito na ito-perform niya sa live stream. And I was part of that episode. So, ayun, dun po una namin tinis yung song. So, ayun po. Actually, it's a teaser of the single na talaga.
And nakwento ba sa'yo nung composer yung inspiration behind the song? Hindi. Pero with this, kasi previously, di ba nakapag-release ka na ng mga dating music?
Isang beses pa lang po, pero not under GMA playlist. So yung Kung Masasaktan Lang is actually my first single under GMA playlist. And yung sinasabi niyo ba, I think you're referring to yung Ayoko Na, which is yung ginamit din sa Pepito Manaloto and pinatugtog din yun sa soundtrack ng Family History, which was my dad's movie. That was back in pre-pandemic 2019. So, ayun po, that was even before nag-sign ako with Sparkle. So, ayun po. Yun po yung una. So, dalawa pa lang.
So, syempre, batang-bata ka pa lang. So,
College
kumusta yung vibe nito compared with the previous song na release?
Actually, it's like a huge jump from parang hugot song kasi yung Ayoko Na. Tapos, sa pagkakaalala ko, ginamit siya dun sa breakup scene ni Chito tsaka ni Nikki sa Pepito Manaloto. Tapos, it was also in a dramatic scene in Family History. So, it was really mabigat yung emotions dun sa kanta na yun. Whereas, yung sa Kung Masasaktan Lang, meron pa siyang parang heartbreak feeling. Pero at the same time, it's a more playful energy in the song. Yung tipong, okay, gusto ko na magmahal ulit, pero takot pa rin ako kasi nasaktan na ako dati. Ayoko masaktan, di ba? Ayun.
Pero as an artist, paano mo nire-relate sa yung song?
As an artist, well, I related to myself in the sense na yung, of course, wanting to fall in love. Everybody wants to fall in love and everybody has that fear of being hurt, especially if you've been hurt back before. So, as an artist, I just really hope that this song would resonate with people in a way that would make them feel, not alone, and okay lang to feel that way. And, being afraid to fall in love, or the process of falling in love, it doesn't have to be a scary thing, it could be fun, and it could be good. Yeah.